Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
I'm Ebuka Nisiobi. I'm from Okija in Anambra State, and I grew up in Mende, Maryland, Koshofe local government of Lagos State. He gave me a platform to aspire to a life that I had never thought about or dreamt about, and that was through the One Day Governor program in 2001. After winning the One Day Governor program, I got a scholarship for further education. The Lagos State government also paid for all the WAEC fees of all students in that year and in subsequent years, and that gave me the opportunity to have a quality education subsequently. Beyond that, Senator Tinubu and Asiwaju have tried to maintain a relationship with me over the years despite my ethnicity, my religion, and just strictly because of my capacity. I got a scholarship and I got a laptop. I got the opportunity to have a 5-week trip to Finland, all courtesy of the One Day Governor program. Today, I've worked in various organizations in the oil and gas industry, in the consulting industry, and I'm also an entrepreneur. And I owe all this to the belief that was placed in me singularly on that fateful day, June 6, 2001. I've had the opportunity of meeting Asiwaju in various capacities after that, and he remembered me to the point that he even invited me to give an opening speech prior to his own speech at an event. That showed me the power of the relationship he keeps, and that is my Asiwaju story.
My dear Lagosian, my name is Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, your governor. Thank you for your amazing support my team and I have received from you since we assumed office in May 2019. Today, evidence are abound across the nooks and crannies of our state that the greater Lagos of our collective aspiration is indeed rising. This election cycle is a significant turning point in the history of our state and of course our nation. You have seen what bold vision, audacious thinking, unwavering intentionality has turned Lagos into. It is an example of what we can turn Nigeria into in a few years if we can make the right choices on Saturday, 25th of February, and of course on Saturday, 11th of March, 2023. Please vote Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu as our next president and Senator Kashim Shettima as our next vice president. Also use your vote to return Dr. Kadri Opafem Hamzat and my humble self to office to keep our dear state and nation on a fast track of development and real growth. Considering we need the power of majority to accomplish this historic mission on a grand scale, I urge you to also vote all APC candidates for the national and state assembly seats. The power to keep our greater Lagos rising and Nigeria succeeding is at your fingertips. I thank you all. God bless you. God bless our dear state. God bless our country.
Good day, my fellow Nigerians. My name is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I am the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress. I wish to use this medium to personally thank you and seek your support and prayers for the upcoming presidential election. This election is crucial to our democracy and development as a nation, and we need to get it right. I therefore appeal to you to vote for me. I have the competence and track record to deliver on my promise to you to build a better Nigeria for all. I've done it before in Lagos, and with your support, I can do it again, even much better. You are special, and I believe with consistent collaboration, we will achieve remarkable development. Please, join me on this journey of a renewed hope. Thank you. God bless you, and God bless Nigeria.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Was Swoby?